gentlemen, I will just go straight to it. You have been accused of murder. So, gentlemen, tell me, how do you plead? Utatala skakha. Uke wawubona umphefumulo womuntu uhlukana naye. Lapho ukhona. Ungazami. Hey Nkosi yami, ungazami ukuzenza isigora sikaShibushi. Ngoba unyoko nomamncane bakho, no-anti bakho, nosisi bakho, kanye nesifebe sakho, ziyohlala emakhangeleni izinsuku eziyisikhombisa. Wankudla. Now, who is in charge here? Who is in charge? Oh, you don't know to talk. How about we gamble with the life of this lady? Say it plain. We are born and you're to Beyonce wasemzansi. What's that? You're gonna play a little game, ladies and gentlemen. You don't want to talk. I will make you to talk. All of you in 3, 2, 1. My Lord, I stand here to tell nothing but the truth. Bengakondanga ukumbulala uMedam. Izinja zami zangena phakathi egadini lomlungu, zadisconnecta amakhamera, zathatha umakhalekhukhwini. Mina bengikuphi? Bengiphakathi ekhisini, emahhovisini, ngibophe ikhadi ngomqala, ngesitoko kwi-oven, ngayivala i-oven maqede. Ngayi-on i-oven. Wena ukubuya benje endlini. Kathi Mr. Smith, ngicela ukhiye bemoto, i-safe, kanye ne-password ye-safe. Ngambona nje ukuthi akayizwa yonke lento. Maqede lapho ngimdonsela itagula, pistol, 38 revolver. Ngafaka 1 caliber bullet ngakangisa isonto. Kathi Mr. Smith, ngicela ukhiye bemoto, i-safe, kanye ne-password ye-safe.